Hi, I'm Hannah Steeves Carney with Rebecca Steeves Realty. Welcome to 193 Garden Street, a beautiful semi-detached garden home in the Garden Creek Elementary area. Welcome inside. Let's take a look around this beautiful open concept home. The bright kitchen features floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, modern light fixtures, and stainless steel appliances. Down the hall, we have a large bathroom with a tile shower, a bedroom, and the master. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet as well as its own ensuite with a soaker tub. Down the stairs, there's garage access, and then you continue on to a fully finished walkout basement. The bright lower level has a large bedroom, another full bathroom, a play area, and an office. Thanks for watching. 193 Garden Street is listed with Rebecca Steeves Realty.